Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and today we are going in search of some cash. Geocache, that is. Yeah, it wouldn't be money because I don't know how to make money myself, but we are in Summit Park and we're going geocaching, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's a really fun hobby that I've recently been introduced to that I think is going to help me, get out of the house, make more videos, do more stuff, get in better shape, all that stuff. And it's an adult treasure hunt. How can you go wrong with this? Honestly, it's amazing. So anyways, here in Summit Park in Victoria, there are two geocaches in this park. One is called Top of Summit, and the other one is just called Summit Park. They're both one difficulty, so they should be fairly easy to find. And I say that now, but this is actually my first geocache on my own app, so it's pretty exciting. So let's go find them. Yeah. Is it in this garbage can? Ew, gross, there's garbage in there. So this geocache here is supposed to be pretty easy. It's supposed to be a level 1. It's going to be around this area here somewhere. I'm not sure if it's off the edge of this cliff or where it is. I think it might be over here, actually. I think I might be onto something. My map says that it's like right here, so I'm going to take a look around. Sometimes you get lucky under some rocks, but sometimes not so much. What do we have here? Bam. So check it out, this little guy here. This is my first ever geocache that I've ever gotten on my own. Like I said, I've done it with someone else before. It was on her app though, but this is mine that I get to log for myself, which I will do right now. Oops. Bam. And well, you can kind of see there, maybe you get a little smiley face. I'm just gonna put this bad boy back. Always make sure to put your geocaches back where you found them, but that was pretty awesome. So we got another one to find here in Summit Park. I'm not 100% sure where it is, but we'll find it. We'll find it today. This might be a two cache day. This might be a cash cow of a day. I don't know what that means, but yeah, we're gonna go finding down in Summit Park again. Okay, so this one is supposed to be a fairly easy one to find. It is a difficulty of 1, so even a genius like me should be able to find it. It does, like, the cache is located in Summit Park. Oh, they give such like long descriptive things for it, which I don't really care for. Maybe that's part of it, but one of the tips was don't climb all over the rocks. I'm gonna check a couple of the hints because sometimes the hints aren't, activity of these geocaches, and they will, oh my Lanta, is that it right there? Check this out. So I'm not 100% sure if this is it, but let's see. There, yeah, I got it. Something bit me. little ball. That's oh, it's a bouncy one. How many bounces I can get out of it? No, I don't want to lose it. Check it out, geocache log. I didn't show you this in the last one, but something that I was taught is come prepared with your own pen so you can sign it. That was this guy. That was 2 in a very, very quick time. Those were kind of easy. Ah, jeez. And always make sure you put it back in the right place. Don't be one of those jerks that like tries to re-hide it for whatever reason because you thought it was too easy. Just get over yourself. Have fun doing this. That's it. So I'm thinking there is another one that's fairly close to here, and I think we should go get that. I think there's one just down the road. I'll double check. I'm pretty sure there's one just down the road. Maybe we'll get 3 today. So out of the park, down these stairs, and I think it's just straight down that away. Pretty sure that's it. Boop, that's where we're going. Okay, so this third one is in this nice little park here. And it's supposed to be actually quite easy. It's a number 1 as well. Oh, I think I might have found it here. There's this rock right in there. So check this out. Bam. So got this rock here. It's pretty realistic looking, but then you flip it over and it's got a nice little thing in it here. That's pretty awesome. So once again, grab your own pen. And if you're doing these and they're little ones like this, don't be like a jerk and try to take up a bunch of spots. Just put your initials down and just move on. Like I sign my full name and promote my address on some of them when there's like tons of paper, but on something like this, just put it small and put the date, and then roll it back up, and that's number 3. These were all quite easy finds, I gotta say, but they were still worth it. It's still fun to go in search of these. 3 were really easy to find, and there's going to be some that are very difficult. I got a bunch that are right near my house, and some of them are puzzles I have to do, and some of them are like they lead to other ones. So this is going to be quite a fun journey, I think. If you're into geocaching or treasure hunting or anything like that, and you want to see my dumbass attempt it, I suggest you like and subscribe. There's going to be a lot more. I have a goal, and I think it's a pretty cool goal, and you might want to be part of this. So I want to get as many geocaches as I have subscribers. So right now I have 372 subscribers. I want to get 372 geocaches, and as that subscriber count goes up, I want to find that many more geocaches. So for example, I get 1,000 subscribers, I want to get 1,000 geocaches. If I get up to 10,000 subscribers, that's 10,000 geocaches. That means I'm gonna have to start traveling a lot and going all over the place to find these, but that is what my ultimate goal is. I might cap it out at like 5,000 subscribers because that's a lot, but this is one of the best things about geocaching in the parks. So you can go for a little swing afterwards. I haven't been on a swing in years. And it's as exciting as I remember. Whee! I'm an adult. Whee!